Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've got a box from Performance Yarn. It's a little selection of all their cotton yarns. Now, Performance Yarns, I think, is the cheapest place to find a lot of cotton yarn, a lot of other yarns as well. Now, this one is about the cotton yarn. And they even put my name on the box. Now, this goes from about £2.50 a ball and up a little bit. Oh, look at this right away. This is beautiful. This is Lollipop. It's 100% organic cotton. That is beautiful. It's 100 grams. That's 250 metres in this. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's pretty. It's soft. It's really soft. Cotton yarn's very breathable. It's great stuff to use for during the summer as well. And it is still nice and warm in the winter. But it's very breathable and... oh, I like that. Look at all those pretty colours in there. This is 100% cotton. It tells you to use a 2.5 or a 3.5 hook. There's no equivalent for the USA. So with the Lollipop, there's 12 colours. 4 of them, so there's 8 solid colours and there's 4 mixed colours in it with the multi-mix. I like the way that they do this multi-mix like this. It's a lot more, you don't end up with great big long lines of colour as a colour change one. These multi ones like this, variegated ones, the colour change comes quite quick. So that's Lollipop. This one, we'll leave that as a wool one. That's a woolen one. We'll do the cotton first. It says 10 reasons to choose cotton yarn. It's a natural fibre, it's cotton. It's one of the oldest materials known to humankind. Its absorbency is capable of absorbing up to 27 times its weight in water. And it can also allow water to evaporate as well. It's good if you're making tops and you sweat a lot. Durability, it's very durable. Makes perfect for items for daily use. It's anti-allergic. It's anti-allergic. Its cotton yarn is very suitable for people with wool allergies as well. And you still like to wear crochet and knitting. And you can't tolerate wool. But cotton... it's very anti-allergic, so give it a try. Softness, it's soft to the touch and lightweight, and because it's cellulose fibre, it pulls the heat away from the body. So it's great for summer tops, and on warm days it can help to keep you cool and dry. Stitch definition. Cotton yarn shows every stitch in great detail. Now I do 100% agree with that, because I found that when I crochet or knit with cotton yarn, you can see the pattern and the stitches much more clearly than you can do with some wool blended yarns. It's very easy care. Throw it in the washing machine, it'll wash and it'll wash and it'll wash, and it says it actually gets softer with more use. So the more you use it, the more you wash it, the softer it actually gets. Very multi-purpose. So you can use this for home decor projects as well. You can use it for pet items if you make items for pets. That is so pretty, that one. It's so pretty. So it's not just for clothing. You can use this for lots of different things. So we've done this one. We'll put this one over here because that one actually looks like these little balls. I like this one. This is called Cotton Bay, this one. We'll find out what this one is, how many there is. This is only about $2.50 a ball. And that's really good for 100% cotton. This is 100% combined cotton. It's called Cotton Bay. Let's have a little look. Oh, it's a 50 gram ball. It actually looks like more. That's 120 metres. Again, it tells you to use a crochet hook that's a 2.5 to a 3.5. I think most of these lighter weight cottons is this. Now for this one, there's 7 different shades, 7 different colours in this, and they're all these really pretty primaries. There's a beautiful lilac and a beautiful blue in there as well for that. There's an orange, a sage green, a white, a black, and this green one. So it's worthwhile going on the website and having a look at these. Now this one is a Merino one. Oh, this is so soft. This is so much softer and lighter than these ones. Now this one is called Delight Merino. It's 100% Merino superwash. Now superwash means that this one is a wool. Now it means that you can put it in a wool wash and wash it. Now I know I said I was going through the cotton, but that one actually looked like a cotton one. It's got quite a cottony look to it, if you can see there, but it's much lighter than this one. It feels very light. This is a 50-gram ball. This one, we'll have a look and we'll see. I'll tell you how many different ones. Oh, this one, this colour for this one is 1017. The colour on this one is 14001. The colour on this one, if you're looking, has it got one? It's hidden in here. It is 2004 for that one. But if you go on their website, you'll be amazed at the prices of these. So for this one, there's 23 different colours. 23 different colours. And that is really soft. Now, this one here is Cotton Extra. 100% cotton combined. It's gassed and mercanized. Now, what they told me with that is it actually gets burned, so you don't get lots of fibres on this. You don't get a lot of little hairy fibres on this, and that's why when you do your crochet or your knitting, you get a really good clear picture of your stitches. Now this one, it tells you to use a 2 or a 3mm hook. A 2 or a 3. This one, have a look on their website, this one is 74. And I'll put a link underneath the video. That's really pretty. I think there's a lot of solid colours in that one. And this one is the Cotton Glamorous. Look at nice and bright, and it's soft. And again, this one's a 50-gram ball, so is that other one. It's 100% cotton. And again, it's the same, 2.5 to a 3.5 crochet hook or knitting needle. So that one is Cotton Glamorous. That is beautiful. I'll go in to their website again. I've got it on my phone and have a look at all the, oh, look at this one. So this one is quite metallic. There's 8 different colours in this. Look at that. That is so pretty. This is £2.60 a ball. It's soft as well. 60% cotton, 40% viscose. So this is a little mix of cotton. The number for this one is 199. There's 8 different colours. And in this is a 50-gram ball. And I think that'll be 120 metres. I can't find where it says on the label. It's tucked away down in there. And it is washable. It's got there the wash at 40. But look at that. If you can see that. It's quite sort of glitzy. It's a beautiful copper. And if you can see that in there, there is a very slight, it's like a copper colour and then a really shiny thread through it. It's pretty. I really like that. So that's Dazzle. Did we do that one? We did that one. We've done Glamorous. We'll go along. We've got Cotton Queen. Now the Cotton Queen, the little balls of Cotton Queen, there's quite a lot of them. 100% cotton. So there's 26 colours in this one. And this one is the Cotton Queen. And this is only £2.20 a ball. It's a 50-gram ball and 125 metres. And again, it's that 2.5 to 3.5 crochet hook. Beautiful. 26 different colours, and it's nice and soft. So that one is one of the colours as well, because that is one of the Cotton Queens. If you like cotton, that's a great price for 100% cotton. I'll pop that one there because we've done that one. This one here is Cotton Queen Multi. This one's £2.60 a ball. It's a 50-gram ball. It's 100% cotton. And there's 18 colours in that one. There's 18 different colours in that one. A lot of the colours are really pretty. This one is Performance Genesis. This is a combined cotton, but it still says 100%. They do a recycled cotton as well. So in this one, there's 21 different colours. All solid colours. Really pretty as well. This is a 50-gram ball. And this is only £1.90 a ball. This is only £1.90. 110 metres, 50 grams. And that's a really good price for that one. Pop that one there. So we've got the Cotton Queen Multi again. That's one of the other multicolours of the Cotton Queen. You've got ones where there's maybe just 2 or 3 colours in it. And then you've got this one that's like a rainbow mix. I like that one. And it's all soft. It all smells delicious as well. Now we've done that one. What's this little one here? Now this one is Naturalis. I can't see that one. This one is a linen blend. We'll do this one first. 50% cotton and 50% lyocell. I don't know what that is. But it's soft. And it's got a little sort of shine to it as well. It's twisted in a really nice manner as well. The colour number for this one is 2007. I've done all the rest, how many there are. I might as well just do the rest of them and see what colours are available in this. So on this one, there's 8 different colours on this one. And it is really nice. It's soft. This one colour is 2007. It's a 50-gram ball of that one. We'll go and we'll see this little linen blend one. Now this is a little rougher. 50% cotton, 50% linen. This would make amazing bath scrunchies. It's not as soft as these ones. It's very natural feeling. It's got a very natural feel. So there's 8 different ones in this, and there is one that's a variegated yarn as well on that one. So there's 8 in that one. We did that one. Done this. Oh, we haven't done this one. And this one. We'll do this little wool ones. This is a thicker one. This is called Virginia. 100% virgin wool. Wow, that is so bouncy. Now, there's 3 colours in this. There's this one, there's a sort of caramel colour, and one that's a little bit lighter. And this is number 2. And it's pure virgin wool. That is so soft. Now, all of these are like a weight 2. It doesn't say on them what the weight is on them, but I would say it's a weight 2. It's a bit thinner than double knitting if you're in the UK. There isn't a bit on it that says what weight it is. This one, it tells you to use a 6 or a 7 crochet hook, and this is thicker. This is like an Aran weight. I would say this is a weight 4, this one. And there's 3 different colours. It's 100% virgin wool. Oh, it smells really nice. This is going to make something nice and warm. And this last one is wool and linen. And there's 7 different colours in this one, this wool and linen. 80% superwash wool and 20% linen. Superwash is used, you can put it in the washing machine on a wool wash. 30 degrees it says, or under. That is so soft, it's nice. It's a little bit hairier than the cottons. It is, and this one is quite thin. I'm going to say this is like a 1. This is a really thin yarn. If you've got something that you need to do that's lace, delicate or really delicate, you can use this one. This is a 50-gram ball. Shoot, it might be a 100-gram ball. I can't see, it's away inside. We have, says that this one is more suited for the autumn and winter. It is really nice and soft. It's a 50-gram ball and there's 200 meters in that one. This is a wonderful little box of mixes. Now I do have some of the performance cotton, so I can add these in to the other ones that I have. Now I think my favourite is definitely this Lollipop, and it's not just it does look like a lollipop, doesn't it? This one, I really do like this one, and that is amazing. This, I really wish you could see the sort of metallic shiny difference in this one, and it's really soft. This would be beautiful if you're going to make, turn that in there, if you're going to make something for evening wear. It's really soft. I wish you could feel how soft this is. So these are my 2 favourites, this Dazzle and that Lollipop. But have a look on the website. They've got lots and lots of more yarns. They have yarns that are suitable for winter, autumn, summer, spring. Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Absolutely beautiful. I think these 2 could go down there. That'll be a little bit better. All different types. If you're allergic to wool, there's lots of cottons and linen blends as well, with cotton and linen, which is very, very good if you're allergic to wool. This will let you be able to crochet or knit something and still wear it. And on Performance Yarns, they do have patterns. They sell patterns, and they also have quite a few free patterns. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Performance Yarns for their selection of cottons. Some of them are new cottons, some of them are ones that they've got their everyday sort of cotton queen. Beautiful, beautiful cotton yarn, and the prices are amazing. Very, very competitive prices. I would say that they're even cheaper than, they're a lot cheaper than some of the other ones that I've seen. So I'll leave the link underneath the video. Have a look. Go on and have a look. It doesn't cost you anything to go and have a look at it, and you'll be really surprised at the amount of beautiful yarns and cottons that they have. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.